Hello everyone. So how's everyone doing? Let's see what is the readings for you. So again, I have kept cards here, extra cards. So first let's take the cards here. So it is 8 of coins and 4 of wands. Now here I would say financially maybe some expenses are coming and you're worried as to how to manage the expenses, or today will be a day where you will maybe see some losses. So if you're a person who invests in shares every day, then today is not the day to invest. If you're a person who's trying to sell something, don't sell it today because it might not give you the desired money that you're expecting, and because of which you will feel very unhappy. But Four of Wands is a good card. Basically, I always say Four of Wands comes as a happiness card for people who work from home. And now in this, I think the COVID is just getting over and things are just becoming back to normal. So people who are working from home today, they will enjoy their day. They will have good time in their work. And if you're in business and you're working from home, then maybe some good orders are coming your way, which will actually make you very happy. So financially, though expenses are there, let's see what the abundance cards are telling us for this. So let's see what it is saying. Okay, now that's a good card. It says no more complaining. So maybe whatever is coming, just take it positively. Maybe God is doing this for some reason. It can also be to increase your confidence. It can also be to make you more careful that in future you don't do any mistakes. Today wear something in white, and if possible carry a black tourmaline with you, because so that in case there's any losses, or there's something which will make you spend more money, that can be reduced mainly. So wear something in white, and if possible in the morning, have a bath with add a few drops of lavender oil in your bath water and have a bath with that. And as I said, carry a black tourmaline also. Let's see what the dragon cards are telling today. Prepare for the change. So some change is coming, but if you see here, I feel this change is either career oriented or business oriented, mainly related to your profession, because that's what I feel. But it is soaring high. So I would also say that, though the change is coming, this change is going to bring in some beautiful positive changes in your life. So let's see what our unicorn cards are telling us today for these cards. That's another beautiful card. Manifestation. So today, start your day by saying this: I focus on a vision beyond myself, and my unicorn will help me. I focus on a vision beyond myself, and my unicorn will help me. And I'm sure the unicorn is going to help you in such a way that all your wishes come true, and you manifest whatever you want to manifest. It happens, and you are happy. Have a blessed day ahead, and do let me know how you feel the readings are. Thank you.